Liv and Tom, and this is our van soul.
If you didn't know already, we're two Aussies who packed up our lives and bought a van in England to travel Europe without a plan or a return ticket.
Follow us on this dream journey as we learn the ups and downs of living in a van, the beauty of Europe, and much more.
A bit scat looking, but this is where we stayed in Croatia for our first night. It's just some little car park, and if you go down here, down there somewhere, there's a little footpath to the ocean. So I'm going to show you what the ocean looks like here. Pretty much looks exactly the same, clear as fuck, but I'll show you. Reykjavik, I think.
Reykjavik. On our way to get a SIM card because we haven't had a SIM card. Well, we have.
Well, I haven't had one since Portugal.
Yeah, and it's been really difficult, like managing one SIM card and hotspotting, and we're just about to run out. So.
Can you see those little bars there? How good is that?
We finally got internet.
And it's unlimited, but 7 days, so. Oh yeah, recently born giraffe going into the water.
What?
What? Well, that's how coordinated you look. Yeah, get it. Dive.
Dive.
3, 2, 1. Flop.
Insane. We've just rocked up to this beach. There's literally no one here. Look at it. And the water. We accidentally stumbled across this beach, but it has to be one of our favourites that we've came across in Croatia. It's just south of Rijeka and it's got some blue ass water.
One of the best things about having a car in Croatia is that the highway is 90% on the coastline. So we saw this little place and we had to pull in and find a camp spot.
At that. It's so hot.
I'm melting.
Look at that view. And this is our view for tonight. After we had spent the day exploring Croatia's beautiful beaches, we came across this little port town called Banja. It was really beautiful, a locals only sort of vibe, and we decided to stay here for the night and watch the sunset over the water. Ferry over there on the water we're currently waiting for to get over to that there bloody island, and this is the line.
Could be worse.
Yeah. This ticket, and it was $30 for our van and 2 passengers, and we're just about to go on the ferry, I think, hopefully, but yeah. So if you didn't know, Croatia actually has so many different islands that you're able to easily access through ferries such as this. They're reasonably cheap and they come every hour or so.
So this is actually us getting one to Pag Island, which is the host of Hideout Festival on Zachary Beach. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Mainland island.
The Baltic Jack. got bitten alive by mosquitoes. It was fucked. I like woke up and I was like literally for 2 hours straight trying to like figure out where these mosquitoes were. Woke up with like 15 bites, but hey-ho.
I didn't. They just don't like me that much. I don't make friends with them. But yeah, I got our wristbands.
We're just gonna have a couple of drinks and have a chill one tonight.
So Billy is a barber, that's him, you know, kissed by fire bloke. So we don't get many haircuts on the road because they cost an arm and a tit. So we had our good mate Billy cut Liv's hair and my hair. But yeah, look at it, great job Billy, good job.
And we're off.
Goodbye, Hideout.
Goodbye. We left you guys behind in Novalgia.
Oh my god, I was so glad, but now
Fuck, you got a deck out. Let's go.
Basically today we have just pretty much been chilling in the van all day and like watching movies because we're both pretty sick and it's not super fun. Like poor Tom has like the worst fever and I've never seen them like this in the whole 2 years that we've been dating, and it's current state. And the state of the van is not that pretty either. So reality of camping, it's not all that fucking great. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you our spot for the night. So there's Seoul parked up. We're currently probably like 15-20 minute drive away from the Zadar city. And that's our view. It's pretty stunning. There is a bit of bloody rubbish everywhere, but this is what we get to look at for the day. We haven't had like a good proper veggie meal in like a week, which is so unlike us. So I'm just gonna get cooking, make like a bit of a pesto veggie pasta, and hopefully tomorrow we're semi-okay. So I've got the mushrooms, capsicum, zucchini, cauliflower, onion, bacon, garlic. This is the sauce, and the pasta is just boiling. Just about to eat garlic.
This better make me feel good tomorrow. I'm so amazing. It's spicy.
This is the final review.
So apart from being sick as a dog, this is actually one of our favourite camp spots. It was under the shade, had great sea breeze, right next to the ocean, but had a bit of rubbish and was next to the highway. So total score is 8.5 out of 10.
Still sound like shit, but I have significantly recovered, thank God, because I was dying yesterday. Obviously, yesterday we had a bit of a mess in the kitchen. It's a bit smashed, you know, being sick and all, so I'm going to do the dishes, but as I was going to do the dishes, this thing broke off. Instead of redoing it in the same place, I'm going to move it to here now. I'm going to put it right there, just above the tray and all the other stuff. I don't have a drill, I just have a screwdriver, so I've got to make it as easy as I can. So I've sacked it off now, because if you can see that little line there, side splitting, so can't use that. L brackets. It should sit like this, like that, and then screw into the back of the ball. I did it. I finally did it. This is our new soap holder. L brackets for the win. Never throw anything out because it always comes in handy.
Being sick in a van is seriously not easy. It gets really hot, but this spot made it so much better by us being able to stay under the shade for the next couple of days while we recovered. After we were feeling that much better, we decided to move on to the next camp spot.
A bit windy tonight because we're parked up on this like mountain, but here's Sol. Isn't she stunning? And then this is our view. Feast and a half.
So we didn't actually stay on the mountain because Liv is a little bit scared of wind, so we had to move all the way down at 2 o'clock in the morning.
It was like 100 kilometers per hour.
So we just went through border control. They pulled us aside again and literally had like a 5-second look through our car. We don't have anything, so whatever. But we're in Bosnia, just briefly, but and now we're back to border control.
So this is our setup for the washing today. So done a line from the car, which is over here, all the way to the tree, then loop around the tree and then go across to there. And then this one was already done, so that just has 2 carabiners on each side. Liv the angel, look at her.
Chicken soup, chicken soup, chicken, chicken, chicken. My hair after I just woke up with it in a bun. And there are so many flies in this fan right now. But we just came across a really cool little beach, so Tom's gonna send the drone out because the water was so blue. I keep thinking it's a fucking Christmas beetle. Drama.
Trauma. I've never laughed.
Tom's just laughing because I had such a fit because this Christmas beetle was literally following me for like 5 minutes straight and it got stuck in my hair like 5 times.
Liv's running around like a fucking headless shook going,
So we promised that Dubrovnik will be featured in a later video, but we only had time for a quick stop and then we had to keep moving so we could go to Montenegro.
Cheers for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to check out our Insta, we've got so much stuff on there. It's actually ridiculous. Just go check it out, please.